Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we are going to see that if you want to download the TradingView application or software on your PC or on your laptop without needing to use it on a browser, how we can do that. So let's get started and let's see this simple procedure, but you have to follow exactly the same procedure. So let's start. So first of all, just go to your favorite browser and on the Google right here, TradingView, but you have to write TradingView desktop application. Simply write that, hit enter, and you will get this option, which is from the tradingview.com, which is the official website. And here you have this TradingView desktop application link. Just go in here and you can download it for Windows, for Mac, or for Linux. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I'll click here in the download. Now, if you're using the Brave browser or some other browser, it might show you this message which says unverified download blocked. So if you want to verify that, just click on that and click on download the unverified file. Don't worry, it's from the official website. You won't face any problems. So, but just for a security concern, it shows that. After that, when you downloaded it successfully, just go to the downloads and you will find this option right here. Now you can directly execute the setup from here. Let's click here. And it's again showing you this caution message right here. So just in case you are concerned about the security, you can exit from here. So it says launch when you are ready. So when the application is installed, it will automatically launch. Let's click on install. And this is a very simple setup, guys. And now you can see the application is successfully installed. So you can just simply sign in with the browser first, and then the application will log in. So it will ask you to grant the access. If you have already logged in the TradingView from browser, then it will ask you directly to grant the access. Otherwise, it might ask you to log in first. So it's very simple to log in. You can just click on get started. If you are new, you can click on sign up. Otherwise, you can just click on this profile icon right here and click on sign in. Continue with Google. Select your Gmail account, and that's pretty much it. Now you can grant the access and open the TradingView. So now, as you can see, now it's asking you how would you like the theme setup. I like dark mode because you might have to use this for a longer period of time to view the charts or do some back testing. So I would recommend using the dark mode. Let's click next, click next, click next, and just click on got it. And there you have it, guys. Once you close this, let's say like this, now you don't need to do anything. Whenever you want to access the TradingView, just go to the start menu right here and right here TradingView, and you have the application installed right here. If you want to pin it to the start menu, you can pin it to the start menu or pin to the taskbar as well. So click on it and you have the application ready. It will not ask you for the access again and again. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can download and install the TradingView application. Now, if you want to learn more settings, how to change the candle colors, how to put the indicators on TradingView, how you can delete the indicators, and all the amazing tips and techniques regarding TradingView, you can just check out the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you there.